In a small town lived a loving family, Father Anil, Mother Priya, daughter Tara, and little Rohan. They were not rich, but their home was full of love and laughter. But as Tara and Rohan grew older, they often fought. Tara wanted peace to draw, while Rohan loved to tease her. Small quarrels became a daily habit. One weekend, heavy rain and a strong storm shook the town. Water began dripping from their roof. The family had to act quickly. Father Anil gave one pencil to each child. They broke it easily. Then he tied several pencils together. No matter how hard they tried, they could not break it. Father explained, "Alone, you are weak, like one pencil. But together you are strong, like a bundle." This is the power of family. The children understood. For the first time, they stopped fighting and worked together. With teamwork, they saved their home from the storm. That night, they sat together at dinner, tired but happy. Tara smiled. "Now I know we are strongest when we stand together." Years later, Tara and Rohan never forgot the lesson. No matter where life took them, they always returned home. Because family is forever. Moral of the story: family is the greatest strength. Stay united, stay strong.